Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna do some embellishment, and this is one of the pour that even it's failed and there's some crack in the lower part because I poured a lot of paints in here. So one of the result of putting too much paints in your pour is it will result to a crack. So there's some crack in the lower part, but it's not too obvious. If it's far, it's not obvious. So I already put some tape in every corner so that the stencil is not gonna move. And I'm using the foam brush. So I'm just pressing the stencil so that it's not gonna move and the paints will stick on it. So I'm just gonna do one coat because I'm loading a lot already in the foam brush and it's thick already, so one coat is enough. So I prefer using the foam brush than the stencils brush because if I'm gonna use the stencils brush, I need to coat like 2 or 3 times in order for the paints to stick in the letters. And I decided to use white paint so that the letters will really pop since the background is vibrant already. So I'm just repeating the process, tapping the paints into the letters. So I bought the stencils at Michael's. So I bought it for $9 during the mega event sale. And for the heart, I'm gonna put a white first, and once it gets dry, I will add the red. So I'm gonna use the crimson red for the heart. So hopefully these stencils will really work. I'm just gonna make it a plain white for the letters. So we're almost done in the letters. And I'm gonna let it dry for a minute before I add the color red in the heart. So I apologize because my camera stopped and I thought it's recording, and unluckily it stopped recording because it's too hot in the basement and it's overheat. But I'm gonna show to you guys what stencils I use for the background. So this is the stencils that I use in the lower part. And I bought this in Amazon. So this is what it looked like, the cardboard of it. And I'm gonna add more in this left side. And since our welcome home letters are dry already, I'm gonna add one more letter, and it's the word love. So I'm gonna use also white because I love the contrast of the white. And I'm just gonna make sure that it's not moving. So I'm gonna put it in the center. And I'm gonna put tape again so that's not gonna move. I'm just gonna put in this corner. and in this side. And I'm gonna add also a little tape in the lower part, just enough to hold the stencil. I'm gonna use again my foam. I'm loading a lot. Then we're just gonna top it. I remove my gloves because it make easy for me to top the paints without the gloves. So the same procedure, just tapping it until it's covered. So I'm pressing the stencil so that's not moving. I'm going to varnish this also, and I will put it in our front door so that every time my husband come home, he will feel the love. And it's a good reminder also that how we miss him every day because he's back at work now. So I bought this in Amazon also, the brush, and it's a set of 20 pieces. There's a small foam and a big one. Here are some of the big foam, and there is small also. I'm just trying to finish the side. So that's it, guys. So now we're gonna remove it. Look how pretty it is. We're gonna put this thing aside, and I'm gonna add more plant in here. So I'm gonna add this. So I'm just gonna add one coat. Just moving this. So it's the same procedure that I did in the right side. So this is the simple way on how to embellish your pour using the stencils. So I just only use white and a little bit touch of red in the heart. And you can buy stencils in any art store. Let's remove this. That's it. Then we're gonna touch up the side. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please be safe. God bless us all.